Look at this beautiful hotel. Let's check it out. Maybe I'll knock to the door. Let's see what will happen if I ring to the door. All right, what happened? Did I press? Oh, hello, hello, hello. Can I come in?
Yes, come in.
Oh, wow. Do you live here?
Yes, I live here.
Wow, this is amazing. What is this?
Come and see the bathroom, the guest bathroom.
Wow, amazing.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Now let me show you my office.
Oh, nice, nice. Can I book a tour here from you?
Yes, of course.
Okay. I'd like to go on a jet ski outside.
Would you like some coffee? Coffee?
Oh, nice. Now,
Yes.
maybe later, yeah. If the offer is still valid.
This is our anniversary.
Oh, wow.
Anniversary cake.
Amazing. Happy anniversary. Chocolate?
Yes.
I love chocolate.
And we have a nice card. Look at this beautiful card. Yes.
Amazing.
Dear Mrs. Mariana.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
That's nice. That's nice. All right, some more fruits and chocolates. Wow, they really spoil you, huh? Amazing. Beautiful. This is gold plated.
Would you like to know the curtains?
Oh, there is so much where to sit. Where do you sit? Which is your favorite spot? You don't have a favorite spot?
But somewhere I
Okay.
can see the water for sure. So this will be
Wow, this is just amazing. Wow, look at this view. Just see the sea all over. Nice, and we have a nice beach. Oh, what is happening? Oh, what are you doing? Are you going to take advantage of me? Oh my God, I better run. This is very nice. Okay, so I guess it's good night, right? Oh. So this is it? Oh, these stairs. What are these stairs? Bedroom. Wow, what is this? What is here? Oh wow, it's hiding spot. Okay, what we have here? I don't know, some pillows or something.
Okay.
Wow, we can play hide and seek later on.
Storage.
Wow, this is 2 floors. It's a duplex. Wow, amazing. This is crazy.
Come on, look at the chandelier.
Amazing, beautiful.
And here we have the bathroom. Look at this.
Oh wow, look at
Okay.
that.
And there is
His
a
and her
perfume.
sink.
There is a perfume for you here, Daniels.
Wow,
Daniels,
this is beautiful view.
there is a perfume here for you.
Oh, nice.
And that's for me.
This is for the ladies.
And this for you.
And this is for men. Wow, nice.
And the toiletries.
Beautiful.
Have you seen the toiletries? All the toiletries here. Hermes. Toiletries.
Wow, amazing.
Okay. Bathrooms.
So let's see your most favorite spot.
Dyson,
This one?
Dyson hair dryer.
Nice, nice.
Jumeirah bag.
Jumeirah. Beautiful.
Okay. Sleepers for the beach. One for you, one
Okay.
for me. Come, come.
I want to see what is here. Can we see what's here?
Yes. This is our bedroom.
This must be a special place
Look at the bedroom.
where all the magic happens. Oh, wow.
Look at the bedroom.
How many people can fit in here?
Look at the mirror.
I think like 5 people can fit in here.
Well, they said that 6'4", but I
Wow,
don't know.
wow, wow, wow. What is that hiding behind here?
This is the structure of Burj Al Arab.
No, no, here. What is there?
Ah, okay. We have the TV.
Oh, wow. TV appears from nowhere. Amazing. This will be some late night shows watching.
And now come here for a picture, you.
Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so nice. Who is this beautiful couple?
This is you and me.
All right. So the view is beautiful. All right, amazing place. Thank you for the visit. Thank you for showing a tour.
This, you saw the pool down there?
Yes, I saw the pool down there. Just amazing.
And we'll go to the beach.
Yay!
Today
We'll
or
go to the
tomorrow?
beach. Yay, 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 yay.